In a quiet, sun-drenched forest, where colors dance on feathers and songs echo through the trees, there lived a beautiful bird. Bright and radiant, she found love, and soon the promise of new life stirred within her. She gathered twigs and leaves, crafting a cozy nest with care and devotion. 2 pale blue eggs lay nestled beneath her future, her joy. Days passed, and then they hatched. 2 little chicks, mirrors of their mother's beauty, greeted the world with wide eyes and hungry cries. She fed them, watched them, loved them. But then, as peace settled and the chicks slept soundly, the mother took flight. And in her absence, tragedy struck. 1 tiny chick, curious and unsteady, tumbled and vanished into a cold, black hole. The mother returned only to find her world changed. Her cry filled the forest, but her baby could not hear her. What happens next? Don't miss part 2.